this time we will upgrade Lenovo Yoga 730 15-inch laptop. We will upgrade RAM and SSD. What do we need? We need the Allen key. I have two of them. I don't know why, but I have two. This is T5 and piece of plastic to lift the cover. You can use a credit card, whatever you like. Let's start the upgrade. First of all, we need to place the laptop on a safe position when it won't get scratched. Now it won't get scratched. We have a couple of screws, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now all the screws are removed. Bear in mind, I placed the screws in the order, so when you put your screws back in, you know which screw goes where. Okay, so the cover is removed. Now you can see the battery. The battery is 51.5 watts per hour. Now you can see your JBL speakers. You can see the heat pipes, sorry, and the cooling system. RAM goes in here, and that's the SSD, and that's the network card. Of course, we will not touch the network card. We will only touch the SSD. You can see the Lenovo sticker here. Can you see it? I'll show you this in close-up in a few seconds. I don't know, is this a warranty or something? Hope not. Okay, let's remove the SSD and insert some RAM. Now this is the exact model number of the Samsung SSD NVMe. Pause the video if you want to read this. Green PCB. Now let's remove this plate. It's a cover for the RAM. This is the extra RAM. That's the exact model number. On the crucial side it says it's 100% compatible. It's very important. Now all we need to do is clone this SSD. I will use this adapter to clone it. Let's put it in. Just like that. That is a new drive cloned. For cloning a drive, I use Samsung data migration software. It is free on the Samsung side. Gentle. Screw in. Okay, now you can see the Windows is working. As you see, 16 GB of RAM is available, and that's the new score for the SSD 1 TB version. Upgrade for the Yoga Lenovo 15. Very easy, you can do it yourself and you will save a lot of money. Thanks for watching and goodbye.